Today we're going to be doing an Amazon beauty haul and we're also going to be getting ready together for Diwali. Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So we have a couple of beauty products to unbox. We have some makeup and some skincare and some hair products as well. So the first thing I have here is the Kama Ayurveda Bringandi Hair Oil. It's an intensive hair treatment prescribed in Ayurveda for lush hair growth and to prevent hair loss, dandruff and premature graying. It's a naturally conditioning oil treatment. Now I absolutely love Kama Ayurveda because their products are so good, you guys. This hair oil has been my go-to hair oil for the past few years. I have absolutely been loving it ever since I tried it. It's extremely hydrating and nourishes my hair so well. It has also helped me with hair fall a lot. I also got the Kama Ayurveda Rose Water free with my purchase. This is also one of my favorite products. The face mists from Kama Ayurveda are so good. They are so refreshing. I absolutely love using them on a daily basis. I already have a full-size bottle of this, but this one is perfect to travel with. The next thing I have here is the BBlunt Salon Secret High Shine Creme Hair Color. It's in the shade Coffee Natural Brown 4.31. It doesn't have ammonia and it also has 100% grey coverage. So I got this hair color for my mom. She has been using it for the past year and she really likes it. So I thought why not get her some this Diwali. I got 2 boxes and I got a great deal on them, so I was really happy to grab these for my mom. So to use this, you have to take the colorant and developer together in equal proportions and add the shine tonic. Mix it up till it's smooth for a fragrant non-drip blend. This hair color provides 100% grey coverage, soft shiny hair. It does not have ammonia and lasts up to 8 weeks. It comes with really precise instructions to make coloring your hair at home really easy. Next, I got this Chemist at Play with essential ceramides, 4% lactic acid plus 1% mandelic acid, odor control, underarm roll-on. It fights sweat causing bacteria and helps prevent underarm darkness. Here's why it's unique. It has a unique blend of AHAs for gentle exfoliation and body odor fighting treatment, vitamin C for underarm skin brightening, hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, and lower pH to fight bacterial growth which leads to bad odor. So I got this because I've been facing pigmentation issues on my underarms for quite some time now and I wanted to start treating them. I've been trying various products for the past few years but nothing has been helping me enough. I was so excited when I saw Chemist at Play had launched this product. I've tried their serums in the past and I was so excited to give this product a go. Shake this and apply it to clean underarms. Allow it to dry. For best results, use every day. I'm gonna try this out daily and give you guys an updated review on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. This product is free of aluminum, baking soda, artificial fragrances, parabens, silicones, sulfates and dyes. You get 40 ml of product in this tube which I feel will last you for a while. I also got the Chemist at Play exfoliating body wash formulated for rough, bumpy and dead skin. So this body wash is enriched with lactic acid as it gently exfoliates the skin. It also contains salicylic acid which smoothens out rough and bumpy skin. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid for a much needed hydration boost and it also has vitamin E as it protects against UV damage. These products are cruelty free and dermatologically tested. I am so excited to try them out. Moving on to makeup, we have a bunch of stuff from Mamaearth. So I have tried makeup from Mamaearth before and I absolutely loved everything I've tried. My favorite product is definitely their lip serums. They are so good, you guys. So today I have some more products to show you. The first thing I have here is the Mamaearth Rose Tinted 100% natural lip balm with rose and castor oil. It provides 12 hours of moisturization. It's 100% natural and made safe. It retails for 299 rupees for 2 grams of product. It is tinted, it provides 12 hours of moisturization and helps heal dry and chapped lips. Okay guys, this is so hydrating. I absolutely love the fragrance. This has a beautiful light and natural tint and I love the color. Check out this lip balm if you're looking for something hydrating and nourishing this winter. Then I have 2 shades of the Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick from Mamaearth with avocado oil and vitamin E. It has 8 hours of moisture lock. It's made safe and this is also 12 hours long stay. Let's swatch them real quick. The first shade I have here is 11 Cherry Punch. It's a beautiful red which will suit every Indian skin tone. The second shade I have is 01 Carnation Nude. I'm gonna be going with this shade for my look today. This lipstick is really affordable, comfortable to wear, smudge-proof and long-lasting. It is also dermatologically tested. I love the color payoff of the lipstick. It also looks beautiful and it's very hydrating and nourishing. I also bought the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal with vitamin C and chamomile. Let me quickly show you guys a swatch as I won't be applying this today as I'm going for a natural daytime look. This kajal lasts for 11 hours, it's smudge-free and made safe. It's also ophthalmologically tested, toxin-free and long stay. It's also cruelty-free and vegan and you get 0.35 grams of product in this. To complete this look, I'm going to use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I didn't get this in the haul but you can find it on Amazon. Get 50 to 80% off on Amazon Fashion and Beauty. I'm going to leave a link to my Amazon store in the description box. I'm also going to leave individual links for all the products for you to check out as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video helped you. I'll keep doing more Amazon hauls if you're enjoying them. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I love you all so much and I will see you guys in my next one.